Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever wondered how to make a younger woman chase you, but felt unsure about how to create that irresistible sexual tension? Today, we're going to uncover the strategies that can help you reverse the roles and get her to take the initiative in pursuing you. By the end of this video, you'll have a keen understanding of how to build and maintain this magnetic attraction, giving you the upper hand in your romantic endeavors. Hold on tight until the end for our game-changing bonus tip. It's a crucial piece of advice that will revolutionize how you create and respond to sexual tension, enhancing your understanding and approach. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Ready to become the object of her desire? Let's dig in and discover these powerful strategies together. 1. Confidence is key. Confidence is the secret ingredient in the recipe for attraction. It's like a magnetic force that draws people in and keeps them interested. But here's the catch. True confidence isn't about being loud or boastful. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. When you walk into a room with self-assuredness, people notice. Confidence signals to others that you value yourself, and in turn, they are more likely to value you too. It sets the stage for a dynamic where you naturally become the person others want to get to know. Eye contact shows that you're engaged and present. It creates a connection and communicates that you're not afraid to be seen. Your posture says a lot about you. Standing tall with your shoulders back not only makes you look more confident, but also makes you feel more confident. Rushing through your words can make you seem nervous or unsure. Take your time to articulate your thoughts clearly and calmly. This shows that you believe in what you're saying. Don't be afraid of pauses in conversation. It shows that you're comfortable with silence and don't feel the need to fill every gap with words. This can make you appear more thoughtful and composed. Wearing clothes that make you feel good can significantly boost your confidence. When you look good, you feel good, and that confidence will shine through. A genuine smile can be incredibly disarming and inviting. It shows that you're approachable and open to interaction. Remember, confidence is not about dominating the conversation or being the center of attention. It's about being secure in who you are and presenting that version of yourself to the world. When you master this, you create an aura of attraction that naturally draws others in. 2. The power of mystery. Being a bit mysterious can make you infinitely more intriguing. When you reveal everything about yourself too soon, you take away the excitement of discovery. Mystery creates an allure that keeps her curious and wanting to know more. Mystery piques curiosity. When someone doesn't know everything about you, they are naturally more interested in finding out. This interest can turn into a strong attraction, as the unknown always carries a certain charm. Share enough to keep the conversation interesting, but don't divulge every detail of your life right away. For instance, when talking about your weekend, you could say, "I had an amazing adventure," without giving all the specifics. When she asks about your plans, give an intriguing but incomplete answer. Instead of saying, "I'm going to the beach with friends," you could say, "I have something exciting planned." Occasionally do something unexpected. This could be a spontaneous trip, an unusual date idea, or a surprise gift. The element of surprise keeps things fresh and exciting. Ask her questions and show genuine interest in her responses. When you listen more and speak less, you naturally reveal less about yourself, maintaining an air of mystery. If you have unique hobbies or interests, don't reveal them all at once. Drop hints about them over time. For example, if you play an unusual instrument, you could mention your passion for music without specifying the instrument until later. Being mysterious is about striking the right balance. You want to share enough to keep her engaged, but hold back just enough to keep her guessing. This delicate dance creates an intriguing dynamic that can enhance sexual tension and make her more eager to learn about you. 3. Playful teasing. Playful teasing is a powerful tool in building sexual tension. It adds a layer of fun and flirtation to your interactions, creating a dynamic that keeps her engaged and intrigued. The key to successful teasing is to keep it lighthearted and fun, avoiding anything that could be hurtful or annoying. Playful teasing can break the ice and create a sense of camaraderie. When done correctly, it shows that you're confident and comfortable enough to joke around, which can be very attractive. It's about creating a shared experience that both of you can laugh about and remember fondly. For example, if she says something a little silly, you can gently tease her by saying, "Oh, so you're an expert now," with a playful smile. The tone is crucial here. Make sure it's clear that you're joking and not being condescending. Another example is playfully challenging her. If she mentions she's good at a certain game or activity, you can say, "I bet I could beat you at that," setting up a fun, competitive vibe. Physical teasing can also be effective, as long as it's appropriate and consensual. A light, playful poke or a gentle nudge can add to the flirtation without crossing any boundaries. Just make sure to gauge her reactions and ensure she's comfortable and enjoying the interaction. Another way to tease is through mock seriousness. If she's talking about something mundane, you can over-exaggerate your reaction in a playful way, like, "Oh wow, that sounds like the adventure of a lifetime." This exaggeration is clearly playful and not meant to belittle her experience, but to add humor to the conversation. Remember, the goal of teasing is to create a fun, lighthearted atmosphere that keeps her wanting more. It should make her smile and laugh, fostering a sense of connection and intimacy. 4. Physical presence and touch. Intimacy and connection are largely developed through physical presence and touch. Without uttering a word, you can express interest and strengthen your relationship through your body language and delicate touches. Your body language should be open and inviting. Stand or sit with your shoulders back and your arms uncrossed, facing her to show that you are fully engaged. Leaning slightly in when she speaks demonstrates that you are interested and attentive. This subtle shift in posture can make her feel more connected to you. Incorporating gentle, respectful touches can significantly enhance the sense of intimacy. For instance, a light touch on her arm while laughing at a joke, or a brief touch on her back as you guide her through a door, can create a warm connection. These small, intentional touches signal that you are comfortable with physical closeness and help to build a sense of trust and attraction. Appreciating the insights in today's video? Imagine how much more you could achieve with personalized guidance from a dedicated dating coach. Our free 60-minute strategy call is a game changer for anyone serious about improving their dating skills. Click the link in the pinned comment to book your session and start dating with renewed confidence and success. 5. Quality time and attention. It's really important to give her your whole focus when you're together. It conveys your appreciation for her presence and your sincere curiosity in her. This degree of focus might strengthen your bond by making her feel valued and special. Make your time together memorable by focusing on shared experiences. Plan activities that you both enjoy, whether it's a fun outdoor adventure, a cozy evening cooking together, or exploring a new hobby. These shared moments create lasting memories and a sense of togetherness. Engage in meaningful conversations. Ask open-ended questions that allow her to share her thoughts and feelings, and listen actively. This means not just hearing her words, but also paying attention to her tone and body language. Respond thoughtfully and show empathy, making her feel heard and understood. Surprise her with little gestures that show you care. This could be as simple as bringing her favorite snack, writing her a thoughtful note, or planning a surprise outing. These small acts of kindness can make a big impact and show that you pay attention to the details of her likes and interests. 6. Being unpredictable. Unpredictability is the spice that keeps the excitement alive in any relationship. When you mix things up, you add an element of surprise that can be thrilling and invigorating. Predictability can lead to boredom, but a touch of the unexpected can make every interaction feel fresh and exciting. Start by varying your routines. If you usually plan your dates well in advance, try surprising her with spontaneous outings. Maybe one evening, you could whisk her away on a surprise mini-adventure, like a late-night drive to a scenic spot or an impromptu visit to a quirky local event. The unexpected nature of these plans adds a sense of adventure to your time together. Change up your communication patterns. Instead of always texting at the same time, mix it up with a surprise call or a handwritten note left for her to find. Small, unexpected gestures like these can brighten her day and keep her guessing about what you'll do next. Bonus tip: the art of the push-pull technique. And here's a bonus tip for you. Mastering the push-pull technique is a game changer in creating and maintaining attraction. This technique involves balancing between showing interest and pulling back slightly, creating a dynamic that keeps her intrigued and invested in the chase. Start by giving her genuine compliments and attention, making her feel valued and desired. Then, at times, pulling back a bit could be as simple as being slightly less available or not responding immediately to her messages. The key is to create a sense of longing without appearing disinterested. For example, after a particularly great date, let her initiate the next contact. This slight withdrawal makes her wonder about your next move, heightening her interest and anticipation. When she reaches out, respond warmly and engage fully, reinforcing your interest and keeping the cycle of push-pull in motion. Balance is crucial. The goal is to create a rhythm where your moments of closeness are interspersed with periods of slight distance. This ebb and flow keep the emotional energy dynamic, preventing the relationship from becoming too predictable or stagnant. So now you know how to make her chase you. What's next for you? Discover 8 subconscious things a girl does when she wants you sexually, or learn 6 lies younger women tell you when using an older guy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.